Need your YouTube channel link? I'll show you exactly where to find and copy it in just a few clicks. Once you have it, you can send it to friends, add it to your social profiles, or share it anywhere you want people to find your channel. Let's grab it. First, open YouTube on your computer. Now, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. If you're using the wrong channel, click Switch Account and select the channel you want. Once you've selected the right channel, click YouTube Studio. This will take you to the dashboard where you manage your channel. Now, look at the left side of the screen. Click Customization. Once the customization page opens, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Channel URL. Your channel link will be shown right there. Now look to the right side of your channel URL. Click the Copy button. That's it. The link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it into a message, website, social media profile, or anywhere else you want people to visit your channel. If this quick tutorial helped you find your YouTube channel link, like the video and subscribe for more simple YouTube tips and tutorials. And that's how you get your YouTube channel link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.